Advanced Planning and Scheduling System, APS. Enterprise Resource Planning, ERP. Manufacturing Execution System, MES. Green Energy. Quality Control, QC. Quality Assurance, QA. Total Quality Control, TQC. Statistical Quality Control, SQC. Materials. Machines. Methods. Measurement. Cutting. Chip. Chipless. Grinding. Milling. Broaching. Sawing. Drilling. Boring. Turning. Shaping and planing. USM, ultrasonic machining. Abrasive jet machining, AJM. Electron beam machining, EBM. Electrical discharge machining, EDM. Laser beam machining, LBM. Electrochemical machining, ECM. Chemical blanking, CHB. Chemical engraving, CHE. Chemical milling, CHM. Casting. Hot working. Forging. Rolling. Cold working. Drawing. Coining. Embossing. Pressing. Electroforming. Powder metallurgy. Plastic molding. Welding. Riveting. Adhesive joining. Screw fastening. Surface treatment. Electroplating. Metal spray. Anodizing. Parkerizing. Physical vapor deposition, PVD. Chemical vapor deposition, CVD. Honing. Lapping. Polishing. Buffing. Barrel tumbling, barrel finishing. Super finishing. Heat treatment. Shot peening. Tool steel. High-speed steel. Cast alloy. Sintered carbides. Coated tooling. Vapor deposition process. Ceramic tooling. Cemented oxide. Cubic boron nitride, CBN. Diamond. Numerical control machine, NC. Computerized numerical control, CNC. Flexible manufacture system, FMS. Reverse engineering. Rapid prototyping. Throwaway type. Ferrous metal. Non-ferrous metal. Alloy. Metal. Stealth material technology. Wood's fusible metal. Hardness. Ferrous metals and alloy. Gray iron. White iron. Ductile iron. Malleable iron. Non-ferrous metals and alloy. Brass. Bronze. Aluminum. Hot dipping. Galvanizing. International Organization for Standardization, ISO. Chinese National Standard, CNS. Society of Automotive Engineers, SAE. American Iron and Steel Institute, AASI. American Welding Society, AWS. Japanese Industrial Standard, JIS. Deutsche Industrie Normen, DIN. Guojiabiajuan, GB. British Standards Institute, BSI. European Standard, EN. Carbon steel. Nickel steel. Nickel chromium steel. Molybdenum steel. Chromium steel. Chrome vanadium steel. Tungsten steel. Silicon manganese steel. Machinability. Castability. Forgeability. Weldability.